how to create custom autofill list in Excel. So if you want to create custom autofill list in Excel, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Excel. Once you open up your Excel, now you just need to simply go with the upper left and then go with the options. And under options, you need to go with the advanced section. Under advanced, you need to scroll down a bit and you will have an option. So scroll all the way down, and here under the general section, you need to go with edit custom list. And here you will have the list, right? You will have the days of the week, the months of the year and everything. So you just need simply go with new list, and here you need to enter the new list entries. So in my case, I'll just simply go with random list, and after that just click on import, and here you need to select the list of data or the list of cells, and after that go with OK, and that's it. Now if you want to use that, then what you need to do is just simply enter the first word, which is in my case it's apple, and after that just drag it to the bottom. So if you enter apple and then if you drag it to the bottom, then you will have the custom list. So that's how you can create a custom autofill list in your Excel. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.